Rocking someone's boat. Navigating the waves of English idioms. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase, rock someone's boat. Whether you're an English language learner or just someone who loves diving into idiomatic expressions, this video is for you. So, let's get started and find out what it means to rock someone's boat and how you can use this phrase in your daily conversations. The phrase, rock someone's boat, is an idiom, which means it shouldn't be taken literally. To rock in this context doesn't mean to move back and forth physically, but rather to cause trouble or disturb a situation. And the boat, it's a metaphor for someone's life, routine, or the current state of affairs. So, when you rock someone's boat, you're essentially causing disturbance, trouble, or upsetting the balance in their life or in a particular situation. It's often used in situations where stability is valued, and any disruption is unwelcome. To get a better grasp of this idiom, let's look at a few examples. 1. I didn't want to rock the boat by asking for a day off during our busy season, but I really needed a break. Here, the speaker is worried about causing inconvenience or disturbance by asking for something during a critical time. 2. John loves his routine and doesn't like changes. Suggesting a new process at work really rocked his boat. This example shows someone being upset or disturbed by a change in their usual way of doing things. 3. She's been the team leader for years and doesn't appreciate it when new members try to rock the boat with innovative ideas. In this case, the phrase is used to describe someone's resistance to change or new ideas, seeing them as a disturbance. Knowing when to use this idiom is crucial. It's perfect for situations where you want to describe causing a stir or disturbance, whether intentionally or unintentionally, in a mostly negative context. It's important to note that rocking someone's boat is not always about major disruptions. It can also refer to small actions or changes that cause discomfort or unsettle someone. However, use it cautiously, as it might imply a negative outcome or resistance to change. It's not typically used in formal contexts but is great for informal conversations and storytelling. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, rock someone's boat. We hope this video has given you a clear understanding of this idiom and how you can use it to add color and depth to your conversations in English. Remember, idioms like this one are a fantastic way to sound more like a native speaker and to express complex ideas in a few words. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful language learning content. Until next time, keep practicing and don't be afraid to rock the boat in your English learning journey.